Hey guys, John here from John03ification. I have another toy review today. It's been a while since I've last done a toy review, so sorry for any inconvenience whatsoever. But I had this for a while. The Juden Sentai Kyoryuger Gaburevolver. I've got this recently, and I gotta say it's one of my favorite henshin devices of the Kyoryugers, next to the Gabu Gaburical, which I'll be getting soon, and along with Mini Terra. Plus, as a bonus for this review, I picked something up at MegaCon 2015, the GabuRiCailbur, aka the Gaburu Cannon. With the Gaburevolver, you get two Judenshis, Gabutira and Stumero. Now, turn it on, you'll get this sound. And you can fire it if you want. Now, I'm going to do henshin sound for Gabutira. Kyoryuger. It'll run on for seconds until the sound wears out. Otherwise, you're going to have to spin the barrel and re-listen to the whole thing. To eject it, you press this button right here. Next, we got Stumero. Oh, I found out that if you try to put it at the top like they did in the show, you can't really activate it until there's a bottom Judenshi injected. Before I do this, one thing that I have noticed is that from Judenshis 14 to 23 is that when you insert it into the bottom barrel and you spin it, it activates the Kyoryuger henshin noise. Like, I don't know why they do that. I'm guessing that's just like an error to me. But either way, you're still going to get the same after sound. And then just eject it. Now we're going to put both of them in. The Juden Brave finish attack. Oh, and the armed on noise. Let me do that again, because like my arm was out of place. Like, let me do that. There we go. Alright, now let me put this aside, and we'll go on to the GabuRiCailbur. Push this button right here, flip the blade, and then you got a little bit of a sword. I found on YouTube that some guy made a custom made where the blade was even longer, but it's a pretty decent size. Like, the handle could be a little bit longer, but the barrel is just fine. And no matter what Judenshi you put in here, you're going to get the same generic noise. Turn it on. Let me do that again so the speaker can be better. Okay. insert this in. Press this button right here, get the sword slashes, and for the brave slash, there we go. And then to eject it, you just do that, pull them out further, and then... Now to transform this and attach it with the Gabu Revolver, like, here we go. Oh, sorry. I even found out for the Gabu cannon, like, you don't need to have the device turned on when you're in this mode right here. I'm gonna turn it around so you can see it a little bit better. Like this right here. And if you don't pump the handle right here, you're going to get a generic shotgun noise. To take it out, just take these two little clips right here on the both sides of the bottom of the gun. Hold on. I'm sorry guys, like, there we go. Good thing I didn't let it drop. So. I have to say that this is a pretty great changer. Like, it's really cool. Like, I would recommend it for any Kyoryuger lover. Like, I will be reviewing the Kyoryuger Gaburevolver soon, but there's no real difference except for the sound effects, and it's like a 4th of July colored scheme. But, yeah. The difference between this and its American counterpart is we've gone back to American-made sound effects, which is good, which is nice. Like, it's smaller. Some of the detail paint is missing right here, along on the bottom, and there's only one dino charger cell right here. There's none at the top. Up inside of the mouth is yellow, like cheaply made, and the barrels are painted orange for safety gun users, so nobody would know that this is like a real gun or anything. Yeah. These are the only current Judenchis that I have, but I will be getting more soon. I'm probably going to start off getting Toba Spino's Judenchi. So, like, because he's the first Judenru to be made. So yeah, I will be getting more of those soon, and I'll be back with the deluxe set soon, hopefully. Yeah, so this is my review of the Kyoryuger Gaburevolver, and thank you guys for watching.